Hello everyone, welcome to my channel for yet another video on Nifty Bank Nifty analysis. Today we will take a look at the daily chart for Nifty and Bank Nifty, and we'll also take a look at the key levels where we can trade tomorrow. Also today the market opened gap down, but Nifty continued its down movement. However, there was a up move in Bank Nifty, and we have a bullish piercing pattern in Bank Nifty. More on that as we go on, but before that, a disclaimer. All the views and opinions expressed in this video are for learning purposes only and in no way is a buy or sell recommendation. Any buying or selling decision or any trading or investing decision needs to be taken after consultation with your respective financial advisors. Viewer discretion is advised. So what I'm sharing with you all right now is a Nifty spot chart on a daily time frame, and as you can see here, the candle that we have is a bearish candle, and the market opened gap down, and it went up till the point where it was yesterday's low, and from there again there was a sell off that was seen, and it came down to a level where it is where it retested the mid of the dotted purple channel that we had, right? So this was the mid, and from this point it again took some recovery or reversal, and then it managed to close slightly above the middle of this dotted purple channel, right? So it will be interesting to see how the Nifty price trades tomorrow. According to me, uh, with couple of days left for the results, for election results, hardly 2 or 3 days are left, so I would expect a reversal from here, that is from tomorrow. The reason being, this is one of the levels where we had seen a reversal earlier as well. So this was the candle followed by this and then this big one, and it came at around the same level, that is today's today's low and that particular candle's low, right? So that is one of the reasons. Second, the market sentiment is negative, so tomorrow we can expect a gap down opening, and it may open at some place near about this, that is roughly around 22,400, and from there we can expect similar candle formation for tomorrow, and then for the couple of days the formation could be something like this candles, right? So all in all, I think I somehow feel that tomorrow and day after tomorrow and on Tuesday would be a day where the market would go up, right? And however, I'm going to be open for trades on either side. So the key levels for tomorrow are 22,722 on the upper side and 22,399 on the lower side. So 22,399 roughly around 22,400 is the low of today, and if the price breaks below that, then in that case we can initiate a downside trade for the next levels of 22,322 as the first target, and then followed by 22,200 as the second target. Now at 22,200 again we may see some reversal or some uh, pushback, so the the buyers can jump in. So that is the reason why at 22,200 it will be interesting to see the price action, and then accordingly take a call whether we want to trade on the upside or whether we want to go ahead with the downside trade. On the other hand, if the price breaks and sustains about 22,722, then in that case it may retest the first resistance, that is 22,777 level, and if it further goes ahead and breaks that particular level and uh, moves upwards, then in that case the next target would be 22,855 followed by 22,911, right? So these are the three key levels or the targets for Nifty on the upside tomorrow. Let's quickly take a look at Bank Nifty. Now Bank Nifty had formed, as I said, formed a bullish piercing pattern, and as you can see on the chart as well, you can see this green bodied candle formation, which is almost closing above the half of uh, the bearish candle of yesterday, right? Also key thing to note here is the level 49,066 has been retested again today. Yesterday also we took resistance from there, today also we took resistance from that particular level. So this has been tested couple of times. And also another interesting thing to note is uh, the market opened low, opened gap down, but right from the start the buyers jumped in and the low is was equal to the open, and from there the buyers took the price all the way till 49,000. So the buyers are looking strong, but however uh, there is a chance that the price may come down as well. So the key levels are 49,066 on the upper side, so the level which we experienced resistance at today, that is the level on the upper side, so 49,066. And on the lower side, 49,299, that is roughly around 49,300 is the level uh, where we saw the buyers jump in right from the start today, right? So 22,290, if the price, sorry, 48,299, if the price sustains below this level, that is below 48,299, then in that case we may further see the levels of 48,277 as the quick target. But besides that, 48,222, and then followed that by 48,111. So these would be the levels for Bank Nifty on the lower side. We may also retest 48,000 again, and from there we may see some pullback as well, right? On the upper side, 49,066 is the key level. If the price breaks and sustains above 49,066, then in that case the first target that we can look for is 49,399, which is roughly around 49,400. And if the 49,399 gets taken out, then in that case the next target would be the psychological levels of the key levels, which are 49,600 and 49,700, right? So yeah, so I think all in all, as I've been saying in yesterday's video as well, Bank Nifty looks more strong as compared to Nifty to me. But again, as we are closing in on the election day, there is a good likelihood or good possibility that we may see a sharp turnaround and the price may go up higher. So as you can see this, right, this particular candle, this and this top, all these, this movement of almost 2000 points came in 3 trading sessions. Similar thing we can expect here in the coming trading sessions as well, right? This particular line represents the date of the election results. Also the data related to FII and DI, let me just quickly share to you. Yeah, so FII today sold rupees 3,000 crores of Indian shares, and DII, that is domestic institutional investors, bought 3,400 crores of Indian shares. So basically today DII has purchased more than what FIIs had sold, and DII has continued its stand on the buying spree, whereas FII has been selling continuously. So even the global market, I mean even Dow Jones is down, I think, and even the global market the global sentiment in the market is negative, because of which the market is also opening gap down. Now because of all of these things, I think uh, the movement on the upside could be very quick because of the short covering rallies that it could trigger, right? So the bias is towards bullishness for me, but all in all I'm open for downside trade as well. We have taken a look at the levels also, 49,066 on the upper side for Bank Nifty, and 48,299 on the lower side for Bank Nifty. On in case of Nifty, 22,722 on the upper side and 22,399 on the lower side. Tomorrow we will also see the month end, so we'll take a look at the monthly candles also, but not today. We'll take a look at those monthly candles on for the Friday analysis for Monday, right? So that's the analysis from my side. Do let me know in comment section whether this analysis is helping you or not, and whether you were able to take trade today, and in which instrument did you take trade, like for Nifty or for Bank Nifty, because the movement on either of the instruments was in opposite direction, right? So do let me know that as well. And also if there's anything else you would want me to cover as part of these videos, do let me know that as well. And like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it yet. Just before we wrap up, a small disclaimer: making money in stock markets is not easy, and there is no shortcut to make money. However, with continuous improvements, we can definitely make money from stock markets. So thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned.